This is not the present moment. Time has shifted slightly. You don't need to understand how, and you don't need to decide when. Just notice that something is different. And as you begin to notice that difference, allow your body to settle more fully where you are. Your breathing continues on its own, slow and natural, without any effort at all. Step slowly through the tall wooden door of the workshop. Sunlight spills across the scattered sketches and half-built models. The floor is cool under your feet. The faint hum of tools echoes softly in the background. Take a moment to feel the space around you. The gentle warmth of sunlight, the quiet rhythm of distant movements, the subtle scent of wood, metal, and parchment. Begin to wander slowly among the benches. Notice the sketches pinned to the walls. Let your mind drift to the half-built models, delicate frames, small mechanical parts, unfinished forms waiting. Imagine how they might move, how they might function, without needing to complete them, simply exploring the potential. A soft, metallic click sounds somewhere in the workshop. Perhaps a wheel turns, a lever shifts. Let your attention follow it for a few breaths. Notice how the sound invites curiosity, how your imagination begins to play with ideas that arise naturally in this space. Step toward a workbench bathed in sunlight. Pick up a sketch. Feel the texture of the paper beneath your fingers. Observe the marks, the ideas, the spaces left open. Allow your mind to wander. What could this sketch become? What could the model evolve into if given time, attention, care? Notice the quiet. Let the hum of the workshop and the warmth of the light guide your awareness inward. Any ideas that surface, let them float freely. Some may feel practical, some fantastical. There is no need to hold on to them. Move slowly to another bench. Pause at each object, each sketch. Notice the shadows and highlights, the curves and edges, the delicate balance between what exists and what could exist. Let your attention flow gently, like sunlight shifting across the room. Let your thoughts move with it. Take a deep breath, letting the quiet, open space of this workshop fill your mind. Notice how ideas drift in and out. Notice the freedom to explore without pressure, the gentle invitation to imagine. When you are ready, slowly step back from the benches. Bring your awareness back to the doorway. carrying with you a sense of possibility, of potential, of the creative space within you. Take one last long breath, and when you feel ready, open your eyes.